Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Flappy Bird on your iPhones in 2020. It's really easy to do. I'll have a link in the description to the website I'm about to show you guys, so you can click on that link, and then you guys will head over to this website that you see here, Ignition. You want to click on the share option, so in the middle of my phone at the bottom, click on the share option, and you want to scroll down and click on Add Home Screen, and then just click on Add, and that'll give you this app on your home screen here. You want to click on that to open it up. Just give it a second to open here. And then you just want to click on Apps and then scroll down and click on Flappy Bird. Just give it a second to pop up this little animation here just saying to install, and click on that. And then you just want to slide out of here and just give it a second to start loading. It does take about a minute or two depending on your internet speed, so it does look gray like this for a little bit. Just give it a second and it will finish in the background. And there we go. You see that it has finished, and you just want to click on it to open it. Now, if this will pop up saying untrusted enterprise developer. If this does pop up for you, you just got to click on cancel, head over to your settings, and you're going to be over in your normal settings here, just like this. So you want to scroll down until you see general. Scroll down in general until you see device management. Click on device management. Click on the enterprise app here and click on trust. Just like that. And then if you head back over to the application, click on it, it'll now open. Just like this. And there you go. You now have Flappy Bird on your iPhone in 2020. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.